Girl, make sure you get a good lotion. Make sure you get a good lotion. And make sure anytime you're messing with chemicals, make sure you are wearing gloves. Chemical overexposure is a thing. Just saying. Yeah, you can get burns from this. Yep. And I don't think enough clean talkers talk about that. Because what may bother, yeah, everybody's skin. Because I know people that can go live and not wear gloves, but I would highly recommend it because you can still get chemical overexposure. Thanks, friend. Yes. Yes. Very much so. Especially pop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dish soap and fabric softener probably won't bother you, but yeah, pine or cans, I would definitely wear gloves. Just make sure you're protecting yourself, friend. It needs more powder. Of course, Knuckles. I need a bigger pool, apparently. My fan is blowing up and not on me. How does that work? Yep. And all I have left is baking soda or cans. Yeah, I seen she's coming back too. She was getting her own room somewhere. I don't know if it's in her house or... Nope. No, all I have is cans or baking soda. One big bag of baking soda. Yes, there's gain. But you said your favorite was Rama. We're still mixing, just be patient. Now I have Comet. No, I have comet though. It smells like lemon, pine, with a dash of lime. Yeah, I'm still mixing, friend. There's still powder in here. It's mixing. Yeah, that would be lovely, Tiff. That would be lovely. Big comets. In totes. Yeah, this is my workout, friend. Alright, I gotta turn my fan. No, they're too. No, I'm sold out of liquids. All I have is powder left. Cans or baking soda. I have 1 baking soda left. Girl, it is that deep. This is heavy. It is heavy, heavy. Do we need to mute the chat, Knuckles? Do we need to mute it? I'm in my own little world. Okay. Honestly, I wish I could do that, Valerie. That way everybody can get a drink, get a crunch wrap, and if I decide to come back to this tomorrow with my gang that is normally here, we'll do that. I wish I had one of those big old, but this is hard work. I will say that. I'm just curious how dry this is going to be in the morning. Yes, you have, girl. Yes, you have. So for the girl, so let me rephrase that. This off, and be tomorrow. It ain't gonna be bricks by tomorrow. It's too much. It is too much powder for it to be that quick. Yeah. It depends. It depends on how much powder there is, friend. This will probably take, and how thick or how thin you get it out to, but it could take weeks to a month to get completely dry. Yep. Yeah, that's why I'm saying make a little comment, man. That's why I'm saying we'll finish it tomorrow. I'm getting tired. I've been up since 3:30 at my real job. Lord, my back. Okay. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna mix this a little. There's another pocket. Good God, man. But I think I'm much deserve a crunch wrap today. And honestly, tomorrow we'll probably scoop some of this out and put it in the sink.